Good morning everyone. Today I came back again to take your English language class. So first all of you take out page 3. So we have done our chapter 1 and we have completed our exercise in the book as well as we have done this exercise in our copy also. I hope you all have done. So today we will start a new chapter. And the chapter is, repeat after me, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Now what is this? Let me show you something. So children, what are these? These are capital letters. And each one is called letter. Each one is called a letter. And all the letters called together an alphabet. Previous chapter we have done this. Now, today's chapter is alphabetical order. What is this alphabetical order? Let me explain to you. Now, children, after A what comes? B. After C what comes? D. After J what comes? K. Now, before P what comes? O. Before U what comes? T. So, these all the letters are arranged in a fixed order. Fixed order means after B, C is coming. Before J, I is coming. So, this is called a fixed order. And letters of the English alphabet are arranged in a fixed order, means this fixed order is called a alphabetical order, our topic. So, this fixed order is called a alphabetical order. And alphabetical order, another name is ABC order. The another name of an alphabetical order is ABC order. So till this much, I hope you understand. Now, let's see. Now children, what is this? This is A. What is this? This is C. What is this? B. What is this? This is D. After A, C comes. Yes or no? No. After C, B comes. Is it children? No. So, these letters are not in a fixed order. After A, what comes? B. After B, what comes? C. After C, what comes? D. This is a fixed order. See, I have written here A. So, after A, B, I wrote here. After B, C is here. And after C, D. So, this red portion is called an alphabetical order. This is not called an alphabetical order because these letters are not in a fixed order. So, these letters are in fixed order. So, these are called alphabetical order. Now, see the next one. What letter is this? R. This is M. This is O. This is T. This is N. Now, among these 5 letters, which letter come first? A, B, C, D is not here. So, only from these 5 letters, which letter come first? M. After M, what comes? N. After N, what comes? O. After O, what comes? P. Is it, children? P. But P is here? No. After P what comes? Q. Q is here? No. After Q? R. R is here? Yes, R is here. So, we will write R. After R what comes? T. T is here? Yes, T is here. So, T is here. So, like this, arrange in order is called a alphabetical order. I am repeating. This A, C, B and D. Are these letters arranged in order? No. Why no? Because after A, B comes, not C. After C, D comes, not B. So, these letters are not arranged in fixed order. So, this is not an alphabetical order. So, if I tell you, arrange this letter in alphabetical order, what you have to do? You have to write among them which letter came first. So, among them, A came first. So, A. After A, what comes? B. B is here, that's why B. After B, C. So, C is here. After C, D. So, I wrote A, B, C, D. So, this is called an alphabetical order. And this one, R, M, O, T, N. Among these 5 letters, which letter came first? M. After M, N. After N, O. After O, P. But P is not here. After P, Q. Q is here? No. After Q, R. R is here? Yes. So, after O, what I will write? Among them, R is here. So, R. After R, what comes? T. T is here. So, this is called an alphabetical order. Now, I am showing you another example. I wrote D-O-G, dog. Dog is a word. Dog is a word. Now, how many letters are here? There are 3 letters. D, O and G. Now, if I tell you, among these 3 letters, which letter came first? D came first. So, D. After D, 2 more letters are here. So, after D, which letter will come? O or G? G. So, G is here. And then O. So, D, G, O. This arranged in order is called an alphabetical order. Do you understand, children? Let me show you another example. What is written here? T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. So, how many letters are here? 5 letters. What are the letters? T, I, G, E, R. So, among these 5 letters, which letter came first? E. After E, what comes? After E, F comes. But F is here? No. After F, what comes? G. G is here? Yes, G is here. So, we will write G. Like this way, after G, what comes? H. H is not here. After H, I. So, I is here. So, we will write I. And after that, after I, from here, R will come. Then after R, T will come. So, this arrange in order is called an alphabetical order. Now, the next example. In this page, I wrote only 1 word and I told you to arrange these letters, only these 3 or these 5 letters in alphabetical order. Now, I have written 4 words. What are they? car, baby, duck, apple. So, these all are one word. Now, if I tell you, now among these words, you will arrange in alphabetical order. What will you do? See, I have written in the red ink, C. First letter. You have to see the first letter. When you will get the words. So, C. Next one, B. After that, D. And then A. So, C, B, D, A. Among these four letters, which letter came first? A. And A for what I have given? A for apple. So, you will write full word apple in the first. Now, after A what comes? B. Any word starting with B? Yes, baby. Baby, B. So, after A what comes? B. So, B for I have given baby. So, you will write baby in the second. Now, after B, C. And I have given C-A-R, car. So, you will write car in the third. And after that, D for duck. Next one, I have given play, green, chair, sheep. What you have to do? You have to see the first letter. First letter is P. Second letter is G. Third letter is C. And the fourth one is S. Now, among these four letters, which letter comes first? C. So, C for chair I have given. So, you will write chair. Now, after C, what come? P, G or S? G. So, G for green. Second one. And then, after G, what comes? P or S? P. So, P for play is given. So, you will write in third, play. And the fourth one will be sheep. So, these are called an alphabetical order. Sometimes we arrange the words in alphabetical order. Sometimes we arrange the letters in alphabetical order. So, today till this much. Next day we will do the exercise in our book. So, till then, bye-bye.